Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Peakmeter PM6252, a handheld anemometer. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: clear LCD and backlight. The Peakmeter PM6252A is equipped with a clear LCD screen that displays all the necessary readings in real time. The backlight feature is particularly useful when you're working in low light conditions, ensuring that you can always read the measurements accurately. The screen displays various parameters, including wind speed, temperature, and more, making it a versatile tool for environmental measurements. 9V battery for better performance. This handheld anemometer is powered by a 9V battery, which provides reliable and long-lasting performance. The battery ensures that the device operates efficiently, even during prolonged use. The Peakmeter PM6252 is designed to conserve power, so you won't need to replace the battery frequently. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals who require a dependable tool for regular use. Environmental measuring. The Peakmeter PM6252A is not just limited to measuring wind speed, it also offers environmental measuring capabilities. It can measure temperature, wind chill, and other relevant environmental factors, making it a comprehensive tool for meteorologists, HVAC technicians, and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're assessing weather conditions or monitoring environmental parameters in an industrial setting, this anemometer delivers accurate and reliable results. Power generation monitoring. This handheld anemometer is also useful for power generation applications. It can measure wind speed, which is crucial for determining the efficiency of wind turbines and other wind-powered devices. By providing precise wind speed measurements, the Peakmeter PM6252 helps in optimizing the performance of wind energy systems, ensuring that they generate the maximum possible power. Simulation. The Peakmeter PM6252 features a simulation mode that allows users to replicate various wind conditions. This feature is particularly useful for educational purposes, training, and testing wind-related equipment. With this mode, you can simulate different wind speeds and analyze how various devices or systems respond, making it an invaluable tool for research and development. Pros. The Peakmeter PM6252, a handheld anemometer, is praised for its user-friendly design, featuring a clear LCD and backlight that ensure ease of operation in various lighting conditions. Its 9V battery provides a reliable power source, reducing the frequency of replacements and ensuring stable performance. This anemometer is versatile, capable of handling a wide range of environmental measurements, from wind speed to temperature, and even supporting power generation applications. It delivers accurate readings, making it suitable for both professional and recreational use, while its durable build is designed to withstand outdoor conditions, making it a dependable tool for fieldwork. Cons. One of the key drawbacks of the Peakmeter PM6252, a handheld anemometer, is its battery life. While the 9V battery ensures stable performance, it might need frequent replacement depending on usage, which can be inconvenient. Additionally, the simulation functions may present a learning curve for beginners, as they require time to fully grasp and utilize all features effectively. Furthermore, although the PM6252 handles basic tasks well, it lacks some advanced features found in more expensive models, such as data logging or wireless connectivity, which may limit its appeal to more advanced users. The Peakmeter PM6252, a handheld anemometer, offers reliability and versatility with its clear display, backlight, and durable design. Ideal for environmental measurements, it excels in power generation tasks, but has a potential learning curve and battery concerns. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product for more reviews on the latest gadgets.